KTM fuel pump, stock. So that's the filter that comes off. It's new IMS 2.8. New cap.
The gasket's a little different.
5/16 hole for the vent. You gotta watch the triple clamps. Hole is drilled. Nice and tight, perfect fit. This is the triple clamps.
There's the triple clamps, and we can go in and route it to the breather.
Perfect. Here is the fuel line setup. You got the filter, one-way valve to the pump adapter. This right here.
You gotta make sure.
I had to make a bend.
Wrapping the safety wire around the hose to pull it through to the bottom of the tank where it'll connect to this adapter plate.
So,
slides right there.
that just slides on. And then, yep. Weird.
Attaching the adapter.
There's two slots there and there. And there's set screws that hold the pump. But you know what? They said they'll Loctite these.
That looked pretty good. Applied with some Loctite. And ready to go. Pump bolts are now 4mm Allen.
Yeah, everything goes from 6mm to an Allen key.
The size comparison, the 2.8 versus the 2.2 off the bike. Alright, she's all done. 300 XC 2023 with the big tank. IMS 2.8. Turned out pretty good. Good look. In the background, you have it on a 2023 450 XC. Same tank, same procedure to install it. We have about 20 hours on this tank, I guess, and a couple races, no problems.